everyone, welcome to another vlog with me, your host, Grace. Also, Grackle. Why is it so dark? Hey, tell me that. So, today's video is one that is very highly requested. It is a vegan / I'm dairy free, so they're all dairy free, Easter egg taste test. We're gonna find the best vegan Easter egg. Now granted, there are a lot more on the market than just what I have here, but I went and got the ones that are readily available. So I went to Morrisons, I went to Waitrose, I went to Tesco's and Holland & Barrett. Let me just say this was pre-isolation days when I filmed this, so don't worry, I wasn't going around to all these supermarkets. It was pre-isolation, I've just been too lazy to edit it. I don't actually have a Hotel Chocolat near me, and Hotel Chocolat have some incredible looking ones, and I'm kind of sad. Also, disclaimer, in these videos people always
like, what a way, she doesn't need that much food.
Don't worry, you don't think I have friends and family who eat this. I have so many free-from friends and family who are going to be all over this, all over it. We're going to end with the one that I get every year because Move Free are the OGs and they've been around, in my opinion, the longest in terms of Easter eggs. And I've had this for like the past 4 years and I know I love this. I feel like we want to start with the one that I'm most excited about, which is the Doisy Dam. That feels so weird to say. So this one is real nice looking. These are a new company on the market. They've also released some mini eggs, some fake Maltesers, things like that. I really like their mini eggs. I really like them. And here they have a Easter egg, which is very nicely packaged actually. But is it necessary? I wonder if it's recycled, like what's... These are palm oil free, ethical cocoa, natural ingredients, completely vegan. Literally, the ingredients are so, the ingredient list is so small. And then in here, we have 2 sachets of almond nutter cups. I don't know how you get in. For me, I get more excited as the little additional thing that you get in an Easter egg, but I know the whole point is the Easter egg. Whatever. So here we have our egg. Big boy. Hello. Okay. This is not good where you can see all the seam right here. How well it's been tempered. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's shattered very well. Oh, quite nice and thick. A good amount of chocolate. Let's try it. That's actually really good. That's really good. I was a bit concerned because it's 70% cocoa, which is relatively high, but it's actually really good. It's got a good amount of sweetness. Oh, wow, sorry. It tastes a bit more of an in-depth version of Bourneville. I actually really like that. I'm also gonna try one of these nutter cups, which are dark chocolate almond, and you get 3 in here. They're literally like mini Reese's. Okay, I really judged this one. I thought it was gonna be so dark chocolatey and not nice at all. But that is so good. Oh my gosh, what the heck. I'm gonna give that a 8 out of 10. The actual egg could have been a bit neater and had a bit more of a shine, and it's quite a lot of packaging. I thought it would be like recycled packaging, but other than that, really good. And actually, this little nutter cups really have taken it up a whole nother level. Up next, we're gonna do Divine. Now, Divine actually have quite a lot of eggs that are free from this year. The one that I have picked is a dark chocolate and raspberry one, and this actually doesn't come with any added extras, it's just the egg. Lovely packaging, eye-catching. It's actually quite disappointing that it doesn't come with a little added extra. Just some buttons, that's all I'm asking for really. Some more. Look how tiny that is in comparison. Okay, you can't really tell, but it's a big difference. Oh, I should look at it before I crack it. One absolute hooligan. Oh, that has been done very well. That is lovely. It's very smooth and flush here. There's no excess. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And a nice, even, thick layer of chocolate there. Wow. So again, this is dark chocolate. This raspberry in it adds such a lovely tang and pop. That is so, I think I prefer the raspberry to that. That raspberry really adds a whole nother layer. That is so good. Now the egg has really upped it. However, there is no added extras. I'd probably give this one a 7. Up next we have Buttermilk. Now this does have plastic right here, which we're not the biggest fans of. But Buttermilk actually have quite a few eggs out, I believe. And they also have non-free from ones. So if you're not free from, you don't have to worry about it. Interesting approach. There is no wrap on it. We just have straight up, ready, egg. Nice design. A little bit matte on the back there, but I can see quite a few fingerprints actually. Where they've tried to, I wonder if they're handmade. Honeycomb, got some honeycomb pieces in there and a bit of the white chalk. What does that remind me of? That really reminds me of something. That's very good. If you like sweet things and if you miss milk chocolate, this is one for you. It doesn't have that funny dairy-free taste that you sometimes get. I'd say this is for a less mature palate. Me, basically. However, again, no added extra in there, but the taste is impeccable. Wow, I thought there would be one of these eggs that I was like, not so sure on that. I can get behind that. They're all so different. I thought they would all kind of taste the same and it would be pointless. But that one really reminds me of something. Hang on. I don't actually think you would know, to be honest, none of these taste vegan because the dark chocolate, most dark chocolate is dairy-free anyway. And this milk chocolate one is a really good alternative. Up next, we've got Nomu. Nomu? Basically, it stands for no missing out. Fruit and crunch, egg and bar. We get a free chocolate bar with it, which I'm all about. Hello, yes please. I'm really excited because my old favourite chocolate used to be dairy milk, fruit and nut. And double deckers, but I've never found a double decker replacement as of this far. Here we have our egg. A lot of vegans are vegans for environmental reasons, and a lot of these Easter eggs haven't really thought about packaging. I thought they would do like sustainable packaging, completely recycled, but not as this far, none of them have. It's got a little polka dot, it's polka dot, can you see? Oh, wow, look at that. That is full of raisins and all the crunchy bits. That is thick. That is so good. That. If you don't like raisins, there are raisins crammed. It is studded with raisins. Like there is a lot of raisins. This one again, really good milk chocolate. Doesn't have that dark chocolate bitterness. It tastes sweet and you get an added extra, which is the exact same chocolate as this. They're all so good. How am I supposed to pick a favourite? Okay, now when I went to Morrisons, this was the first place I went to and I actually did get the Morrisons free from eggs. And I'm kind of regretting it because obviously I didn't get any other free from eggs at any of the other supermarkets. But what can you do? I'm still gonna try them. Obviously, this one has loads of plastic on it, whereas the other ones, like this doesn't have plastic in the hole, it's literally just the cardboard. Same as the Divine one and Doisy Dam, no plastic there. Whereas supermarkets are like, screw the system, let's just do plastic actually. This is white chocolate, we haven't done a white chocolate one as of this far. This is what I'm talking about, okay? Do you see? You can't even see where the egg joins. That is what we call a well done Easter egg. That is neat. There is no fingerprints, there's no smudges. This is well put together, and that's why I think that this one might be handmade because I'm seeing a lot of fingerprints on this puppy. This one is so well done. Okay. I really don't know how I feel about that. It's super thin. It's not thick at all. But there's an element of vomit. It tastes a little bit sticky. But I'm going to try one of these chocolates, although I think it's the same chocolate as here. But we like the added extra. It's the thought that counts. That is really sickly. You know, I feel like all the other Easter eggs I'd be able to eat in one go. Whereas this guy, I think I could only eat half. I do really like it though. And I don't know why in my head it tastes like vomit so much. It's weird, you know? I don't know how I feel about that one. So I actually gave this one to Jesse and he actually said it was one of his favourites. So it just goes to show that everyone has different tastes. You might not like the ones that I like, or you might love them. It's good, it's sweet. I think it's quite like a kiddie one. But I can understand, someone else would love that. If you're free from and you just love sweet things. Morrisons, this is their normal milk chocolate alternative. Again, same exact design as the one before. They're so neat, wow. Should I try and part it? Like break it in half? Well, that was a flop, wasn't it, guys? No. Again, I would eat it if it was put in front of me and it's not the worst thing ever. Like, I would appreciate it if it was given to me. But when you've got the other eggs in the vicinity, I would way go for one of those. But if I was left home alone with this, make light work of it and I would definitely eat it all. Then we come to the OG Move Free. Move Free has been with us for a long time. It's made from, recycled plastic this is. Fantastic. Move Free just know how to win points. Move Free are the best, I'm not gonna lie. Move Free have never let me down this far. The mint one, the honeycomb one. Also, a lot of dairy-free chocolates have soy in, whereas this one doesn't. And I know a few people who are allergic to both dairy and soy. So this one you are fine with. Got a lovely little bonus here, which is a Chocky Chum surprise. Then we get this, which is recycled plastic. Fantastic. It's weird, you can actually tell that this is recycled on it. Again, very cleanly done. It's very shiny. I feel like back in the day I used to do this with such ease. I would just part them like the Red Sea. So this egg is bunnycomb, so it's got vegan honeycomb in it. I know, I love this. Don't get me wrong, it's not classic Cadbury's dairy milk, but it's a very, very close alternative. Thoroughly impressed actually, well done. Places coming out with your different vegan options. I now have the horrible decision of trying to pick a favourite. I feel like, you know, on X Factor or Britain's Got Talent, when they're like, oh no, on Bake Off. No, I now have the horrible decision of having to tell you which one of you are going home. And to be honest, okay, least favourite, this one. I mean, I did really like this one, but it's got no extras. Okay, I'm ruling this one out purely on the grounds it doesn't have any extras. I really did like the taste of this one in terms of milk chocolate, but it doesn't have any extras. If this had an extra, it would be a contender for top place. I'm not gonna lie, it tasted really good. Okay, so we have a milk chocolate winner and a dark chocolate winner. Sorted, that was easy. Let me know what your favourite is, if you are free from, and if you've sat through all of this and you're not even free from, you are a legend. I hope you enjoyed this anyway. I've had a good time. I need a break from chocolate now. I feel like I need a packet of crisps to even it out. Do you know what I mean?